Hi there, good evening once again, and this is Dr. Stuti Pandey with you. For those who do not know me, I am a naturopath and a mental health practitioner, and I practice here at Jagatpura, Jaipur. So good to connect with you all again, and I just want to say thank you. I'm so very excited. I am motivated to create new videos all the time, and I get very much thrilled to create videos on different subjects. And I want to thank you so much for the 300 plus subscribers that are added. So thank you so much, and I want to really, I feel so grateful. I'm so blessed to have you as the audience, and my efforts are to make the best videos that can give you a great knowledge, subject knowledge, at the same time that can help you solve your issues. All right. So today I once again bring this video considering the situation nowadays, and the amount of stress and depression is increasing day by day. There are people who are worried all the time. They are so uncertain about the future. Many people have been laid off from work, and that really is very depressing, and really feel bad. But nonetheless, that's why we experts and professionals are here for. We are here to help, we are here to assist you. And so today's video is also going to be on the same line of helping and providing a solution to the problem that everyone is facing today. So the main issue here is depression, and secondly, people aren't able to sleep because they do not know what the next day will hold for them. So many people are experiencing insomnia. Insomnia is a technical word for where a person is unable to sleep throughout the night and they are overthinking. Okay, so I'm going to introduce a very familiar fruit. All right, so everyone knows this fruit, banana. All right, and banana is the one of the I would say delicious fruits. I love banana as well. But along with its deliciousness, it has a very important elements. So banana is very rich with vitamin B9 and folate. Okay, apart from the other minerals and nutrients that banana has, but these two are absolutely important for the serotonin uptake. All right, so it releases the happy chemical in the brain. Okay, and then banana is also a stress buster. So many people who probably have experience. So when you eat a banana, you would feel that you feel relaxed, you feel your thoughts have calmed down. All right, for the people who are hungry, they eat banana and they feel that their stomach is full. So banana is a great fruit. Now along with it is many times always we eat banana and we throw the peel, the covering of banana off. Now this is also important, and it is rich. It has the natural melatonin helps, or it is one of those chemicals or substances that helps induce sleep. All right, so when you have eaten a banana, don't throw off the pill, especially if you are experiencing insomnia. All right, take the pill off, wash it nicely, and you can also wash it in the salt water, so it takes away all the germs. All right, and while you're doing this, take a cup full of water and let it start boiling it. And in the cup of water, what you are going to put is, this is cinnamon stick. If you all can see, this is cinnamon stick. So put around this much in that water, along with 3 cloves. All right, probably what clove is. This is lavang. They call it lavang. So put 3 cloves in the water, and as it's boiling or coming to boiling point, and parallelly as you have finished washing the pill, you put the pill inside the water and again let it boil for 5 minutes, so till it comes to the boiling point. And after it comes to the boiling point, all the necessary nutrients, minerals are going to come into the water along with the natural ingredient that is natural substance, that is melatonin. All right. So after that, what you do is drain the water. Drain the water just as we drain the tea. So drain water and drink it half an hour before you go to sleep. Okay, I say half an hour before you go to sleep, because melatonin will take time to kick in. So that 30 minutes is the time duration when it kicks in, and when you actually get those sleepy, what do you call it, your eyes become sleepy. Alright, so this is a natural way of helping you, and this also is an antidepressant. So for those who are not prescribed or who are not on prescription drugs, or even those who are, this is natural method. Just take it. You will just feel good, and you will get a very good night, very sound sleep. Now for all my patients who have recommended, they have given me fantastic feedback on it, and I want you all to try as well. Those who are struggling with insomnia, those who aren't able to sleep at night, so try this method. Alright, and please do leave me a feedback in the comment section. And if you like the video, today's video, like it, share it with as many as people, and please subscribe to my channel. If you are a newbie who has visited my channel for the first time, welcome, and I wish to bring more knowledgeable videos, more videos that will help you find solution to your problems. All right, and thank you once again for all the love, for all the blessings, and God bless you all, and lots of love to all. Have a great night ahead. Bye.